Good morning, everybody. Yes, just in case you don't know it yet, Spain was crowned the FIFA World Cup 2026 champions last night after they beat Argentina 1-0. Interesting enough, Spain's women's soccer team also won their division, so a double championship win for Spain. Congratulations to all of the teams and members of the groups. And yeah, thank you for FIFA World Cup once again keeping us entertained. This is my last video regarding the soccer, and but nothing to worry about, because next week when the Commonwealth starts, I will be talking netball, and please stay tuned for those programs that will cast. And for our Afrikaans friends, please go and watch Tussen die Lyne op YouTube. Gaan kyk gerus daarso, dis 'n splinternuwe rugby program wat ek aanbied. Ons gesels met vreeslik interessante gaste. Ons het hierdie week groot nuus van een van ons groot Springbok legendes gaan 'n draai kom maak op die program. En die nuutste program gaan oor die Kruiwenweek. Ons gesels met Bram Pretorius, een van die Kruiwenweek afrigters. So please go and watch that. I'm sure that the English friends of us will also find the podcast regarding the rugby entertaining. So please go and watch that on YouTube, Tussen die Lyne. En dan, ja, dit was baie lekker om met julle te gesels oor die sokker. Thanks for viewing, thanks for staying tuned, and until next time, have a nice day and God bless.